What we're doing today is not that we are commissioning metro. No. And people, because I have heard people say that this has been commissioned before. What was commissioned in the metro station, not the operation. Because you can't have a train station when it is not in use. So it was a directive. That's why we're here today. The last government awarded to CCECC to train those who will operate this trade at the cost of $128 million to train our people for 29 months. So we came back and we called the company. It is like you want to sabotage the business of this metro line. Where are we going to get $128 million? Which people are you training? Are you training all of them in China or where? Your Excellency, we sat down with them and said, no, it's not possible. We renegotiated with them. Today, they brought it down to $75 million, which means we have saved not less than $50 million. 128 approved by Federal Executive Council in the last administration. For me, today is the happiest day. We are talking about the New Hope agenda. What is the New Hope agenda? Giving back hope to the people. That's what it means. So it is a reality. What you are saying today is a reality. People will not be happy that I can come to the city and go back. Those who want to watch football match will take the train down to the next train station, walk down to the Abuja Stadium, finish the match, go back to the train station, and go back to their houses. So when people talk about the New Hope, it's as if it's just mere talk. It's a reality. I want to use Abuja to showcase that the New Hope agenda is real, is working, and is practical. So, Mr. President, this is part of promise made and promise fulfilled. On this note, I invite you to please talk to us and flag up the commercial operation of this. Thank you and God bless.
Today marks the milestone of our march towards enduring progress as a country, most especially in Abuja capital, Federal Capital Territory. As we gather here to commemorate the 4th anniversary of my administration, we are also celebrating the fruit of collaboration, dedication, progress, and foresightedness. It is my immense pride and gratitude that I stand before you to flag off the relaunch of commercial operation of the Abuja Mass Transit Rail Program, known commonly as Abuja Metro. The Abuja Metro was inherited by my administration from my predecessor. It was first commissioned in 2018 for public use, but this is not to be. COVID-19 struck. The train service was abandoned, vandalized then. Disused and abused. When we came to office, in my desire to have a functional and flourishing federal capital with efficient public infrastructure and transportation, I will serve the people who live and work within the city and the surrounding communities. I made a request, a public request, and a challenge too. Nyesom Wike. Today, then I did not know that he will be able to deliver this project on time. I said, don't give me land. Mr. Landlord, give me the assurance that I will be able to ride on the metro line. He laughed, nodded his head. I am very proud that today we deliver on that promise. Now, if you give me land, you have fulfilled your promise. The commencement of this project is a dream come true for all of us. Am I ever not surprised given the track record of the ministry? This accomplishment by FCT administration is a demonstration of serious commitment to value the charter that we all should embrace in this country. Mr. Project, I say thank you very much to you and your team. In keeping with the ideals of the renewable agenda, you have, with your team, demonstrated unusual capacity to really include people. Thank you very much once again. The huge investment that you've saved and you've put on this project is there for the people to remember. Transportation gives you hope and access to the various individuals and organizations. But here we are at the last review. The access roads to the various stations in the road is not being done. But today, we are proudly saying you are truly serving the nation. And that is part of a critical element of our new national anthem adopted. It's all about service. We are proud to serve your motherland. Thank you. Abuja Light Rail Metro stands as a symbol of progress, connectivity, inclusivity. It signifies our determination to modernize our transportation infrastructure, reduce traffic congestions, and enhance accessibility to all residents, be visitors within and outside Abuja. Today, what we have in the Federal Capital Territory is another piece of evidence that we are a government that delivers on promises. I observe keenly other milestones that this administration have achieved, especially in the areas of social services and other public utilities. Our dear landlords and esteemed, I heard you saying 2 months free ride. I appeal to you to make it till the end of the year. Free ride.